Question: what comes to your mind when you think of Telok Blangah? Answer: Telok Blangah is an evergreen residential estate, peaceful and laid back, where life here literally slows down, freeing you from the fast-paced and hectic lifestyle of city living. What's more, with eateries, shopping of daily essentials, transportation, etc. all within a stone throw away, Telok Blangah is indeed a self-contained neighbourhood. So if you like the idea of a quiet and isolated living environment, yet close to the heart of Singapore, then you should take a look at this housing estate. Hello everyone, I am Mark Lim of OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division, and I'm excited to show you a rare HDB 3-room flat here at Block 20 Telok Blangah Crescent. Before we see the unit, let's take a look at the layout first. This is a 3-room I model standing at 700 square feet or 65 square meters. Layout is squarish, which makes it easy and straightforward to lay your furniture. Both bedrooms are spacious, which can fit a double bed, wardrobe and even a desk comfortably. There is also an additional utility room, which was part of the major upgrading program. In addition, the separate bathroom and WC had also been upgraded as part of the program. As the unit is in the first owner condition, you can stretch your imagination and expand your creativity to design and do up the place to whatever style you like. Here are some ideas which you can adopt as you make plans to renovate the entire flat. Now that we have seen the unit, let's move on to see the amenities. As mentioned earlier, transportation is very convenient here, as we are within a stone throw away from not one, not two, but 3 bus stops. We're going to local hotspots like Vivo City, Chinatown, Marina Centre, Orchard Road, etc. is only 1 bus ride away. In addition, we are also within walking distance to the Bukit Merah bus terminal, offering you even more choices of bus services, easing your daily travel needs. As for your daily essentials, you will find plenty of eateries, convenience stores, bakeries, clinics, wet and supermarkets, etc. at the Telok Blangah Crescent market, making this estate self-containing. If you have young school-going children, we are within 1 kilometer to Radin Mas Primary School, Zhangde Primary School and Blangah Rise Primary School. Besides these schools, we are also close by to CHIJ St. Teresa's Convent as well as the Shelton College International. One of the main attractions here, which you cannot find in other areas, is our close proximity to Mount Faber, Telok Blangah Hill and Sentosa. Imagine, with these places literally at your backyard where you can visit for your daily evening strolls, unlike others who will have to make arrangements to come all the way here. Just how cool is that? Therefore, as you can see, Telok Blangah Residential Estate is indeed a quietly tucked away neighbourhood that is close to the city with all the amenities for your daily essentials. So there you have it, a 3-room HDB flat which you can build into your dream home and enjoy the tranquility of nature amidst the bustling city life. So what's next? Scan this QR code, get in touch with me, and I'll be happy to show you around. Once again, I am Mark Lim of OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division, signing off. Cheers!